Good evening, everyone. Bobby Mcgee once fought to keep child abuse victims from their abusers.
But now that attorney stands accused of being a child predator himself. Investigators arrested the 62-year-old Perry County man for trying to solicit sex from an 11-year-old girl on the internet. News Channel 5's Jeff Tang has the exclusive details on this case. And some of this evidence against Mcgee is pretty disturbing, right?
Yeah, that's right, Vicki. If you've got children watching TV right now, this story may not be appropriate for them. Investigators charge that Bobby Mcgee was looking for someone to engage in a master-slave relationship with. An affidavit obtained by News Channel 5 describes conversations between Mcgee and someone he thought was a mother of 2 young children.
I know there's a lot of rumors going around. I have not been privy to the information.
For more than 20 years,
he's always had a joke, and he's always got a smile on his face.
Bobby Mcgee's law office in Linden, Tennessee,
when Bobby is trying to get justice for anybody, he's like a bulldog,
opened its doors to abuse victims.
He is an advocate of women's rights. He is very protective of children's rights and has been deeply involved in a lot of cases that involve abuse of children or custody of children.
Now, Mcgee is accused of being the very kind of criminal he once fought to keep children away from.
The U.S. District Court in Tallahassee just unsealed this affidavit against Mcgee. They also released a series of chat logs between Mcgee and an undercover agent. In all, there are 57 pages worth of evidence.
In the chats, a man with the screen name TN Master 2007 refers to himself as a horny old redneck before giving his name, Bobby Mcgee, just like the song. The undercover investigator is posing as a 34-year-old mom with a 9-year-old son and an 11-year-old daughter. Mcgee tells the woman he expects the daughter to perform sex acts on him and wants the son to watch. I wouldn't be opposed to giving them more training, he says. TN Master 2007 then focuses on the young girl. Does she seem to have the aptitude and feeling to be a slave, he asks. I think 11-year-old girls now are old enough to experience life and learn about sex. In a chat the next day, Mcgee begins to worry about who he's talking with. I'm going to ask you straight out, he types. Are you a member of law enforcement? Even with his doubts, Mcgee arranges to meet with the woman and her children, asking them to drive from Florida to Linden, Tennessee. That's where investigators took Mcgee into custody. The 62-year-old is on his way back to Tallahassee to face child sex charges. And his Middle Tennessee law office is now closed.
Now, those were just some of the tamer comments on that chat log. We chose not to report the more graphic conversations. Now, if you do want to see the official criminal complaint filed against Mcgee, it's on our website. Go to newschannel5.com and click on Sites in the News. Vicki?
Thanks, Jeff. Attorney Mcgee is no stranger to controversy or the law. Last year, the Tennessee Supreme Court suspended his license to practice law after Mcgee admitted to having sex with his clients.